So, some troubleshooting floppy greens. I've purposely left these, I knew these would flop in the sun. And when I do that, they've all gone over. They could be harvested like that now, but I'm going to water them and watch them come back up, because within a few hours they really would have. And again, that is root fur down there. Some of the varieties get more than others, this one, Ramiraj, being one of them. So I'm going to give that a good water. You'll see that it's a lighter colour of soil and it feels dry. So don't worry about giving them loads of water, because they will suck it all up and they will spring back to life. But if you really leave them, they will go totally flat and you'll feel that the soil is really dry and you'll literally be able to pull the whole lot out. But again, just water them, leave them, try not to put them back in direct sunlight, so just give them a chance to come back so they're not being cooked and baked by the sun. So that's it on the floppy greens.